डिस्कस करेंगे। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, on z plus define a star b is 2 to the power of ab, 2 to the power of a into b. Star is binary, commutative or associative. First binary. You take positive integers. A and b are two positive integers. Then the operation is 2 to the power of a into b. 1, 2 belongs to positive integer. A is 1, b is 2. Then 1 star 2 is 2 to the power of 1 into 2. A star b is equal to 2 to the power of a into b. यहाँ पर क्या है? The definition is a star b equal to 2 to the power of दोनों का multiplication. Then here 1, 2 belongs to positive integer. 1 star 2 2 to the power of 1 into 2 से इसके अंदर पुट करो. Then it is 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 4 is also a positive integer. Therefore, star is binary operation. Therefore, operation star is binary. Next, commutative. The commutative formula is a star b equal to b star a. A star b, star is defined by 2 to the power of a into b. A star b is 2 to the power of a into b equal to b star a is 2 to the power of b into a. B into a is nothing but again a into b. Therefore, 2 to the power of a into b equal to 2 to the power of a into b. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, the operation star is commutative. Therefore, operation star is commutative. Are the operation star is associative? Check. Associative. A star b star c is a star b star c. A star b star is defined by 2 to the power of a into b. A star b star is defined by, simplify LHS as well as RHS. First you take LHS. LHS is a star b star c. First you simplify bracket. A star b is 2 to the power of a into b. Again star c. A star b star is divided by 2 to the power of a into b. Again this one is one term. This term star c means 2 to the power of this term into c. 2 to the power of that term 2 to the power of ab into c. A star b is 2 to the power of a into b. 2 to the power of a into b star c is 2 to the power of a, ये पूरा a टर्म है, a into b. 2 to the power of a into b. This is LHS. Next RHS. A star b star c. A star b star c is 2 to the power of b into c. 2 to the power of b into c. Then a star, this term a star b star is defined by 2 to the power of a into b. a star 2 to the power of b into c is 2 to the power of a term है, a b term है. This one is a term, this is b term. A star b star is defined by 2 to the power of a into a star b 2 to the power of a into b. A star 2 to the power of bc means 2 to the power of a into 2 to the power of bc. This is LHS, this is RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, operation star is not associative. To take any positive integer, example positive integers on z plus define a star b is, so on z plus define a star b is 2 to the power of a into b. To take example 1, 2, 3 belongs to positive integer. LHS 1 star 2 star 3 is 1 star 2 star 3. A star b star is defined by 2 to the power of a into b. 1 star 2 is 2 to the power of 1 into 2. This star 3 as it is 2 to the power of 1 into 2 is 2 to the power of 2 star 3. 2 to the power of 2 means 4 star 3. Again, a star b, a is 4, b is 3. A star b is 2 to the power of a into b. 4 star 3 means 2 to the power of 4 into 3. This one is 2 to the power of 12. Same RHS 1 star as it is 2 star 3 is 2 to the power of 2 into 3. 1 star 2 to the power of 6. 1 star 2 multiplied 6 times is 64. Again it is 2 to the power of 1 into 64 is 2 to the power of 64. LHS is 2 to the power of 12, RHS is 2 to the power of 64. This one is not equal. Therefore, the operation star is not associative. A, B, C. A star B 2 to the power of A into B. Star C. A star 2 star 3. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. Question number 5. On Z plus, define A star B equal to A to the power of B. On Z plus, define A star B, star is defined by A to the power of B. Okay, star is binary, commutative or associative. First of all, binary. The set of element is positive integer. A is positive integer, B is positive integer, and its resultant answer is also positive integer. Then star is binary. 1 positive integer, 3 is also positive integer. A is 1, B is 3. Operation on A to the power of B is 1 star 3. A to the power of A star B equal to A to the power of B. 1 star 3, 1 to the power of 3 is 1. 1 is also positive integer. Therefore, operation star is binary. Therefore, star is binary. Or star is commutative. Commutative is A star B equal to B star A. A star B. A star B is A to the power of B. A star B is A to the power of B. B star A is B to the power of A. A star B is A to the power of base A power B. A star B. A star B is base A power B. B star A base B power A. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the operation star is not commutative. See example. 1 is also positive integer. 2 is also positive integer. And it's B star A. A star B equal to B star A. A star B is A to the power of B, 1 to the power of 2. B star A is 2 to the power of 1. A star B, A to the power. See here, A star B is A to the power of B. 1 star 2 is 1 to the power of 2. 2 star 1 is 2 to the power of 1. It is 1 equal, is not equal to 2. Therefore, the operation star is not commutative. Are the star is associative? Associative on positive integers. A star B star C equal to A star B star C. Here star A star B is A to the power of B. A star B is A to the power of B star C is equal to RHS. A star as it is, B star C is B to the power of C. Again this one is term, one term or a term here. This term star C is nothing but this term to the power of C. A star B is A to the power of B. This term to the power of C. A to the power of B whole to the power of C. This type is A star B means A to the power of B to the power of C. And you take this one is B to the power of C is nothing but X. A star X is A to the power of X. X is B to the power of C. Substitute here. A to the power of X term is B to the power of C. Then here also said you take this one is A to the power of B star C. You take this is Y. Y star C is nothing but Y to the power of C. Y substitute here. Y is A to the power of B whole to the power of C is nothing. A to the power of B into C. It is A to the power of BC is not equal to A to the power of B to the power of C. Therefore, the operation star is not associative. You take example, you take any positive integers, then apply associative. Or you get LHS are equal to RHS. You take example, positive integer 2, 3, 4 belongs to positive integer. You take this one, this 3 numbers are positive integer and apply this associative. You get LHS equal to RHS. When you get LHS equal to RHS, operation is associative. You see here only. Therefore, star is not associative. You take this example and solve it. Okay, last question. This sixth question. Solution. रियल नंबर एक्सेप्ट -1 छोड़कर रिमेनिंग रियल नंबर्स डिफाइन a star b equal to a divided by b plus 1. a divided by b plus 1. First binary, take any real numbers except -1. A star is binary or not. Resultant answer is also binary. You take 2 star 3. 2 and 3 are real numbers. Star is defined by a divided by b plus 1. Here a is 2, b a star b, 2 star 3, a is 2, b is 3. a divided by b plus 1 is nothing but 2 divided by 3 plus 1 is 2 divided by 4. 2 answer 2 2s 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is also real number. Therefore star is binary. Therefore operation star is binary or commutative. Commutative is a star b equal to b star a. A star b is a divided by b plus 1. B star is b divided by a plus 1. A star b is a divided by b plus 1. B star is b divided by a plus 1. Are equal or not? See example 1 star 2, 2 star 1. 1 star 2, a star b is a divided by b plus 1. 1 star 2 is 1 divided by 2 plus 1. 2 star 1 is 2 divided by 1 plus 1. 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 3. 2 divided by 2 plus 1 is 2 by 2. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. This one is 1 by 3 is not equal to 1. Therefore operation star is not commutative. Here also not equal. Associative. A star b star c equal to a star b star c. We take direct example. 1 star 2 star 3 equal to 1 star 2 star 3. All are real numbers. 1, 2, 3. All these 3 are real numbers. Apply LHS. 1 star 2 star 3. First you simplify bracket. A star b. A star b is a divided by b plus 1. 1 star 2 is 1 divided by 2 plus 1. This star 3 as it is. Then 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 by 3 star 3. Then it is a star b form. A is 1 by 3, b is 3. 1 by 3 divided by a divided by b plus 1. A is 1 by 3, b is 3 plus 1. It is 1 divided by 3 divided by 4. 1 by 3 means 1 by this 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. It is 1 by 12. See RHS is A star. A is 1, B star C, B is 2, 3 is then 1 star 2 star 3 is 2 divided by 3 plus 1, it is 1 star 2 divided by 4, 2 1 2 2 1 star 1 by 2 is A star B form. A star B is A divided by B plus 1. Here A is 1, B is 1 by 2. 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. It is 1 divided by 3 by 2. Is nothing but 2 by 3. LHS is 1 by 12. RHS is 2 by 3. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the operation star is not associative. Third question. Consider the binary operation, this symbol. Operation on the set of element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Defined by A operation B equal to minimum of A and B. Minimum of A and B. Write the operation table of the operation. This solution. Here given elements are set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The operation is A operation B equal to minimum of A and B. Write the table. The operation, this symbol, elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These elements are A, these are B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Operation is A operation B equal to minimum of A and B. These are A element to B element. A is 1, B is 1. Minimum of A and B. Minimum of 1 and 1. 1 and 1 में smaller value is 1. 1 minimum to 1 and 2. 1 and 2 में minimum value कौन सा 1 है? Minimum value A minimum B. A is 1, minimum B is 2. 1 and 2 में smaller value 1. 1 minimum 3 is 1. 1 minimum 4 1. 1 minimum 5 1. Then 2 minimum 1. A operation B is nothing but minimum of A and B. These are A element. These are B element. A is 1, B is 1. 1 minimum 1. Okay, same here. 2 minimum 1 is 1. 2 minimum 2 is 2. 2 minimum 3 is 2. 2 minimum 4 is 2. 2 minimum 5 is 2. Same 3 minimum 1. 3 and 1 इसमें smaller value छोटा value. 3 minimum 1 is 1. 3 minimum 2 2. 3 minimum 3 is 3. 3 minimum 4 3. 3 minimum 5 3. Same 4 minimum 1. 4 and 1 इसमें minimum 1. 4 minimum 2 2. 4 minimum 3 3. 4 minimum 4 4. 4 minimum 5 4. 5 minimum 1 1. 5 minimum 2 2. 5 minimum 3 3. 5 minimum 4 4. 5 minimum 5 5. This is operation table on this minimum operation.